Welcome to Naturally.co Cooking with Diane. Today we're going to make lemon honey syrup. Lemon honey syrup is an excellent tea, makes great tea, and it gives you lots of vitamin C, and it's great when you've got a cold or sore throat, or just in the evening when you come home from work and you're tired, make yourself some honey lemon tea. So to start with, I'm going to use Myers lemons, but you can use any kind of lemon you want. So I'm going to just cut off one end, and then we're going to save the peels, the ends, and you can use it when you make your fresh lemon and vinegar cleaning solution. So use a mandolin to slice your lemons to a 1/4 inch. Make sure you're wearing cutting gloves so that you don't cut your fingers in the process. So I have done all of these, and it's an easy recipe. What we're going to do is we're going to pour some honey into the bottom of our glass container, just enough to get started. And then we're going to place our slices of lemon in there and make it sure you can use any kind of jar you want, and just alternate the slices so that they are. Now you do not use any water with this. It is only lemon and honey. And you're going to kind of push it down. Don't worry about the seeds. You can pick them out if you choose to, but you don't have to. So fill this jar up to the very top with our lemon slices. This makes wonderful gifts to make some for somebody, especially if you know anybody that's sick. Bring them over some so that they can feel better with some hot lemon tea and honey. And you can also put ginger in it too. So then once you get it filled to the top, you're just going to pour your honey over it. You use about 3/4 of a cup of honey depending on the size of your jar. So you just want to fill it up with honey. So the honey is going to absorb the lemon, and it'll become thinner as it absorbs it. So I'm going to put this a little bit more in. There we go. And then you're going to seal it. You don't have to get all the air out of it. So, and what you're going to do is you're going to put it in the refrigerator for 8 to 12 hours. And then occasionally you're just going to go in and turn it over so that the honey gets all infused with the lemon. Now right now the honey is very thick, but as it sets, the lemon juice is going to be absorbed into the honey and it'll become thinner. And then when it's all finished, you'll just go in and take a tablespoon or 2 of it, put it in a cup of hot water, and you'll have a wonderful drink.